left you with, we had a big fight about the
gummy bears and the Swedish fish and the jelly.
She admitted being wrong.
I did not do that.
Yeah, you did.
You admitted that you were wrong.
Let's just agree to disagree. And
I'm gonna just stab you.
Just do it in my sleep.
I'll smother
This is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is... So, we're back with more chocolate. And it's fun to share with you. I am going to put down this right here.
Thank you.
And is it my turn or your turn? It's up to you.
I don't even remember.
What did we do?
I guess it would be your turn.
Yeah.
We had my nasty white or vanilla chocolate.
Yeah.
And then we had the big Turks.
Well,
after you.
Got a big Turk.
I don't understand why they need to make these candy bars so large.
This is epic big, peoples. Epic big. It's nouveau.
Ridiculous.
I mean, I've never, and this is like more Kit Kat than anybody should ever need. Let's crack it open and have a look. Ooh, this doesn't smell so well.
No.
It has a scent of that. Whoa! Hold on. This is fascinating, folks. Check.
Oh, it even shows you in the picture. One's dark and one's white.
This.
Ooh, that smells really coffee.
Yeah. That's where they insert the goo. Like in those weird baby dolls I saw on Amazon. On Amazon, they have $470 baby dolls that are injected with liquid silicone to make them like feel the right weight, and they're anatomically correct. Just go and type in baby doll on Amazon.com and then filter most expensive first, and then you can be as disgusted as I was. It's like, who's spending close to $500 on an anatomically correct baby doll?
Somebody who wants a baby but doesn't want a baby? I don't know.
I don't know. I'm
just gonna go with that.
People that want to pretend they can eat babies. I don't know.
Oh, baby.
Baby. Alright, so I think the best way to go with this. Where's my side of the blade? Here we go. Look at all the chocolate blood! Wielding the blade is an ancient art. An art of honor and destiny. One must become of the blade and share the blood of the enemy and drink it as one.
Are you supposed to eat the white one and the dark one?
Well, I wasn't sure if there was a difference between the two, so I figured why not.
Okay.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. You're correct. After bruise.
I think we just lost like 50 people watching. I'm watching the audience retention analytic these videos, or this video. Right when I turned on the seafood. Wow. It's good. It reminds me of Spumoni ice cream. And it reminds me of like when it breaks down in your mouth and you're done eating it, it makes me feel like I've just like gained like 10 pounds in phlegm. It's good. But that was like more than I would want to have at a time. That was a small piece. I'll give this a 2.5. It's tasty.
I'm gonna go with 1.5.
Okay.
It's another one of those where it smells a lot like coffee, but it doesn't really taste a lot like coffee. And isn't that kind of part of the whole tiramisu thing?
I've never had it, honestly, but
I only have a couple times. The first time because I didn't know that it was supposed to taste like coffee. And then when I had it, I was thoroughly disappointed.
It's got some elements to it that kind of make sense that it would be like, I believe tiramisu is an Italian dessert.
Really?
Yeah, it is really sweet too.
It was really hard to eat. Oh.
But you did?
I did. It's still much better than the vanilla one.
You participated in the chocolate break with honor and distinction.
Everything's gonna now be compared to that horrible vanilla one as far as like, oh, was it worse than the vanilla one?
Yeah, that was epic.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Thank you. That was fun. Oh, look what she brings out of the darkness.
This one is an edamame, sea salt, and milk chocolate.
Budget Coco.
All natural.
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 Edamame, that's like soybeans. And sea salt?
And sea salt and milk chocolate.
And milk chocolate. I would, as long as it doesn't taste like vanilla candles.
Yeah,
But
that
maybe
would be weird.
If this could be, what's that?
Well, guys,
What are they doing?
I don't know.
Is it theirs?
That one's funny, a little boy and a little girl, and they've got a bunch of fish that they caught. Oh, maybe they're trying, because this one's got fish on it too. It's got two people, maybe like an older version of them with much larger fishes. I don't know. This one kind of seems a little out of place, but those other two, they go together pretty well. So let's get rid of the one that seems out of place.
We're just gonna remove them.
Yep.
Let's eat the people.
We're gonna remove them from the situation. Bye-bye. Copper.
Fanch. Fanchy. Full of fanch.
Oh, wow. So here's the top of it.
The buttress.
Back, you can really see all the edamame that's in it.
Yeah. The obverse. It's almost like a numismatic. Ooh, feel that.
Yeah. Pow.
Mine doesn't have any. I would like one strewn haphazardly with bits.
There you go.
Is that pretty good? Yeah, that looks
That
good.
one's got a lot. Yeah, I'll try this one. This one has a bunch of it. Alright, edamame.
Edamame. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
That tastes like shit. 0. Bad people make this.
I didn't think edamame were supposed to be crunchy.
It's like you can
That's one.
yeah.
And then it tastes like they dumped a bunch of table salt in there.
Yeah.
That was strike 2. In the grittiness of chewing up the crunchy edamame. And kind of like you were saying before, like the grittiness. Like just, it just lingers.
Oh, I'll go for that other grittiness over this.
This is definitely another hideous. Man, I'm striking out.
No. A 0 is at par with
That
a
is
5.
Big 0.
Yeah.
This is nasty.
I'm down with the vanilla one we had. By far.
I don't know.
Neck and neck with each other, I'd go for the vanilla any day. Because the vanilla has a funky flavor. This has a funky flavor and a funky texture.
Tough call. I don't know.
Well, they're both 0s.
Yeah. Horrible.
That's offensive.
I don't know how they would sell a lot of this one once someone try. Maybe that's the thing though, is they bank on people being like, oh look, it has edamame in it. It should be really good.
I just want to know sometimes.
Edamame is good, but this is not good.
The edamame is okay if you're putting it in like a spicy Asian mix or a Cajun mix or some kind of thing that's supposed to be like a trail mix that's crunchy. This does not fit.
This almost looks like a pale green M&M.
Yeah.
But only M&Ms are so much better.
Yeah.
This is just not okay. Not okay.
They're just trying to be cool. But it's not.
Not cool.
Not cool. You saw what I did. I don't usually spit stuff out. I will trudge through it.
You haven't spit anything out yet, and even trying things that are like super crazy.
Usually when I try something and I don't like the taste of it, I'm stoked.
Or like just...
Bung?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean like...
Just like things in general that like you've tried.
Oh, I'll try.
And like crazy that you haven't spit out.
This just
but
tastes
you're
like
spitting out chocolate.
Yeah, this is like that's saying something, folks.
A lot.
J Coco is J Cuckoo for making this. Somebody's sitting there in like a lawn chair, sitting on their back deck, drinking wine and going, you know, This sounds like such a great idea. I'll make them do this. And they'll do it. And it'll be amazing. And then you get that. And it's like, I mean, the packaging it's in is just great. It's such great packaging. But it's putting a silk hat on a turd.
How do you get something like this through R&D?
Yeah. When you're in charge and you say, hey, we're doing this.
They shouldn't be in charge of it. Because
honestly, I'm going to say of all of these...
They obviously aren't having people taste test things before they put them out, because if they did, then they would know.
Oh, they got a yes man.
Crap.
They got somebody who's like, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, boss. Yeah, boss. It's great. It's great. Nobody likes this. Nobody likes this. If you like this, you're bad.
Definitely can't be friends.
No, we're not hanging out.
Sorry.
Go home.
Go.
Stop watching.
Bye.
Please. Bye.